I'm protesting at the Attorney General of Ontario, Canada, to stop cover up the conspiracy going on for the last 23 years. The conspiracy is that the judgment was drafted by a lawyer named Marvin Gibbard of Bosman Smith Law Firm in Toronto 3 months before the trial started, and the trial judge Robert Walmsley signed and delivered the judgment 6 days before the trial started. Judge Walmsley was fired by then Attorney General Jim Flaherty in September 2009. It was confirmed by late Jim Flaherty on October the 9th, 2000. The accusation is that I was accused that I fathered a child to a woman named Sheila McGrath of Bathurst, New Brunswick. There is no child. There is no child exists on this planet I'm accused of. At trial, when asked for birth proof, Walmsley refused to show any proof and said we don't need any proof that a child exists. So I have been, for that child does not exist, I have been jailed 90 days in 2009 by Judge Heather Katrinich at the Provincial Court of Ontario, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and I have been garnished $260,000, 50% of my income for the last 23 years, and I'm still being garnished today 50% of my income. And I did discover this new evidence in 2000. I had 22 lawyers who charged me almost $1 million in lawyer fee. Finally, they all duped me, and finally I decided to represent myself, and I filed a motion at the Court of Appeal on July the 9th, 2013, which was accepted at the Court of Appeal, Ontario, Canada, and I've been waiting for that court date ever since. Today is June the 2nd, 2015. It will be almost 2 years now. I have been waiting for that court date. As I served the court paper to Bosman Smith law firm, and the other conspirator threatened the manager Sandra Thirold of Court of Appeal. She called me and yelled at me and rescinded my motion, and in fact asked me to take back my motion record paper. I asked her why she had yelled. She said her job is on the line to allow me to have my motion heard in Court of Appeal. I have witnesses. I have been protesting since May the 14th, 2015, and I'm asking the Attorney Generals of Ontario, Canada to order a Court of Appeal to give me a court date so I can speak to a panel of 3 judges at the Court of Appeal, because this is a miscarriage of justice, because the judgment in a civilized world, a country like Canada, where this justice system is a model to the whole world, and here the trial starts August 11th, 1993, and does not end till October 1993, but the judgment was released August the 5th, 6 days before the trial started. So I'm asking fellow Canadians, please join me at the protest on 720 Bay Street, Attorney General's office, Monday to Friday. I'm making a peaceful demonstration there. News media, nobody showed up. I sent each and every news media, there's the whole information, the whole package. I sent them my registered mail, but nobody showed up because I'm an East Indian background. If I was a white guy, if my wheelchair has been lost in the plane, I would be on the CBC national news. CBC national news if a wheelchair is stolen at the plane, but I have been denied justice for the last 23 years, and nobody, no Peter Mansbridge, no Fifth Estate, no City TV, no Sun Paper, no Toronto Star, nobody showed up, not even passed by. Why? Only the news media can tell you. The news media is supposed to be the mother of democracy, justice and freedom, but I believe who has been persuaded by some undercover not to cover my story. Thank you. Again, I'm asking my fellow Canadian to please come and join me on Attorney General's office on the 720 Bay Street. Thank you.